number 2 on the Challenger. You can see it's right here. That's kind of deep. I'm going to hit that with the grinder. A little bit more right in here. While I'm getting set up, if you wouldn't mind hitting that like and subscribe button, I'm going to get to grinding on this one. This up with the 320. And then scuff and paint. This exact paint is linked in the description below. If you have a set of black wheels you need to repair. Cover that with clear coat. More spot. Go to paint first. On to the next one.